You could be inheriting a $20,000 nightmare. $20,000 nightmare. Once the deed transfers, every leak, broken HVAC, or damaged appliance becomes your financial burden. A final walkthrough is not a victory lap. It's a high-stakes audit to protect your investment. So, how can you avoid this? Let's get into it. The final walkthrough happens right before closing, and its purpose is simple. Confirm the home is in the same condition as it was when you went under contract, or better, and verify that all agreed upon repairs were completed. Start by checking every repair the seller agreed to. Don't just take their word for it. Look for receipts, warranties, and make sure the work was done by a licensed professional. If something is wrong, this is your last chance to address it before closing. Next, test everything, and I do mean everything. Run the water, flush toilets, turn on the heat in the AC, test all appliances, flip every switch, check the attic and the sub pumps. A final walkthrough is hands-on. You are verifying the home is fully functional. Walk every room. Check floors, walls, windows, and doors. Make sure the seller didn't remove anything they shouldn't have, like blinds, fixtures, or appliances that were part of the contract, and confirm that the home is broom clean and free of debris. If you find an issue, don't panic. Your agent can negotiate repair credits, delay closing, or require that the seller fix the problem before signing closing documents. You have leverage. Don't be afraid to use it if needed. A smooth closing starts with a smart final walkthrough. If you want a buyer's agent that protects your bottom line and catches issues before they become $20,000 repairs, reach out. I'm happy to help. I'm Jonathan Quinones with Era Partners. Let's get you to the closing table with confidence.